All right, Snehi, but do stick on with us because we are learning that some earnings have been posted. In fact, Trent has reported a strong first quarter, so we'd want you to weigh in on that. Remember, the company has posted EBITDA margins and profit. They have completely beaten Street's estimate is what we're given to understand. In fact, while growth of the company has moderated as compared with the past few quarters, but the management remains optimistic. Exactly why? Snehi, give us the highlights of the company's earnings for the quarter gone by, and of course the optimism that the company is showing, the management is showing. Is this only on the back of festive demand?
Well, yes, Trent's Q1 earnings have been surprisingly strong and a positive surprise to the street as well. If I have to take you through what the scorecard looks like, the revenue has come absolutely in line with our estimates, and that number has come in at 5,666 crore rupees, up 18.5% year on year. The EBITDA has come in at 1,111 crore rupees, a strong beat versus our estimates. PAT is higher by 25.8%, almost a 26% jump over there. Once again, a beat over here, and what has done really well this time around is the margins of the company. That's come in at 19.6% compared to 17.5%. We were estimating just 17.8%. So nonetheless, I mean, it's a very good beat coming in on that front. What's really concerning this time around, and maybe that's the reason why the stock has seen a little softness after that initial spike, is one, the store addition in Westside that remains really soft, because remember in its AGM a few months ago, the company did say that they plan to add 50 new Westside stores in FY27. So far in the quarter gone by for Q1, they've added only one. So there's going to be some concern about that timeline. The second reason is that this growth of 18.5% is slower. In fact, it is at a multi-quarter low, a 4 to 5 quarter low is the kind of revenue growth that we're seeing over here. On the flip side, what's done well is Zudio, 22 stores opened and 19 closed in Q1, so net store addition of 19 stores, total store count at 982, and the management has also said that they are looking forward to adding more stores over here. 200 to 250 is the Zudio store count guidance that they have given. Star, which is their food and grocery segment, has added 5 stores in Q1, total stores at 86 now. What's important to note is the management commentary, wherein they've said the like-for-like growth in fashion portfolio is in low single digits. Emerging categories like BPC, innerwear, footwear have contributed to 21% of overall revenue. Speaking on the quarter, they said that the geopolitical disruptions caused a slow beginning, but consumer sentiment has remained largely balanced. Outlook remains encouraging. Second-order impact of war and potential impact of El Nino and inflation is something that they're going to be watching out for. They're looking to grow presence in both existing and new geographies, and they've sought to manage operating leverage in recent years, and they prefer to retain control and ownership of all their stores and merchandise. So in a nutshell, that's the kind of growth that we've seen from Trent. Yes, operationally, it looks like a strong quarter, but for Westside, the store addition and the revenue growth trajectory for the overall business will be one to watch.